Hello! So now that you've done a couple of problems and we're on question 3, how to solve one-step subtraction equations with no negatives involved, you might have gotten stuck maybe on the process. So here's an example just like question 3 where we have r minus 5 equals 2, and we again want to get our r value to be by itself. So that guy right there, we need it all by itself on one side of the equation. And so in order to do that, since we have a minus 5 with that, we want to undo that minus 5. And so we're going to add 5 to both sides of our equation. And again, some of you like to have a little t-chart, so I'm going to draw that line down the middle underneath the equal sign. So once we add 5 to both sides of our equation, this minus 5 and this plus 5 are going to equal 0. So they cancel out, and so we end up with just an r on the left side of our equation. And then on the right side of the equation, we have r2 plus 5, and so we end up with 7. And we can always check our answers by plugging it back into our original equation. So if I replace the r with a 7, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5 equals 2. So I know that I have completed my equation correctly.